So students, you have seen that 5 students came here, that 8 students came here. Very good, welcome you all. Now I am going to start, the 12 participant is here. I am going to start the quiz. Let's see how the peoples are just going to, 17 peoples are here. Now 18, 19. Okay, quiz started. See your first question. Soil allow the growth of plant. It supplies gas and nutrients that are required in the growth of plant. Timer is running. Think and give the answer. So time up. Let us see how many students have given. Okay, 6 students given that air and the 13 students given water. Let's see the leadership board. Okay, so this is the structure of this, and ultimately who is on the top? That Aditi Modanwal, that she is in the top, and then second is Ayush, third is Aradhya, fourth is Tripti Yadav, who is scored the 725. The very highest is the 955. Devjit Yaduvamshi and Varun Maurya, Piyush, Subhangi Kushwaha and Sabnoor. Okay students, second question for you. So this is your second question. Many organisms live in the air, soil, heat, all of above. Okay, third, three answers given A, 22 has given B. See the leadership board. So wow, well done. Devjit Yaduvamshi has given a very fast speed answer, so that's why it comes on that fourth position, the second position. The first position is still maintained by the Aditi Modanwal. Tripti Shah is third. Aradhya is on 4. Manyata is in 5, who has scored at 1649. Piyush 1642. Subhangi Kushwaha 1628. Sumedha 1570 and the Varun Maurya 1517 and Aswarya, that is 1419. Third question, students. By mistake, you have got the bonus point, and that was again Aditi Modanwal. Next question. Dumping the non-biodegradable substances such as plastic bags and polythene causes soil pollution, water pollution, air pollution, all of the above. (32 students, 34, 35 students are playing. See that 23 students given the answers option A, and the 5 has given that as answers D, and 4 students given the option B. Let us see what is the right answer. So that here again the Aditi Madan wall maintain that a first position. See that how it is interesting. Excess of the use of fertilizers and pesticides pollute the soil and decrease its four students are given A option, 30 students given B option and 2 students given the D option. So 36 students was playing. Let us see the position of that. So out of 36, who is in the top? Let us see. Oh, this time. Great. Devajit Yadvanshi is the winner. Congratulations. Congratulations. Devajit Yadvanshi. See that how that she reached from the 5th positions to the top position. Thank you so much. That was the great achievements by this Devajit Yadvanshi. So here I was just talking about how we prevent the soil pollution. So prevent the soil pollution, the use of polythene bag. So use of polythene bag must be banned, and the waste products and the chemical must be treated. Treated means that you have to remove all the chemical things before they are released into the soil. And the use of pesticide, you know students, whenever we are just using some chemicals for just killing the some insects on the vegetables or in the agricultural field, must be minimized in order to prevent the soil pollution. Otherwise what happens, lot of the diseases is going to be grown. And prevent the soil pollution. Prevent the soil pollution. So this is also that the waste products and the chemical must be treated before they are released. The use of pesticides is that agriculture field must also be minimized in order to prevent the soil erosions. So that whenever we talk about the soil profile, in our mind it comes soil is formed by breaking down. So breaking down of rocks. Now the question arises here, how the rocks is going to be break down? By the action of wind, water or climate. Okay students. So this is basically by the action of wind, water or climate, and by the process. That process is called weathering. Okay, that process is called, means through the weathering process the rocks is going to be break down. So this, during the process the rocks are worn away to form the small particles by long exposure to the elements of the weather. So this is the soil profile students.